Online entrepreneurs, picture this. Your customers can't resist your offers and your online sales skyrocket. If you're a course creator, online coach, or content creator and want this to be a reality, this video is for you. I'm going to introduce you to a game changer, the power of an irresistible offer. I built a seven-figure spa business because I had an irresistible offer that stood out in the marketplace. If you want to learn more about creating irresistible offers so you can 2x your business, stay till the end where I tell you more about my 5-step process for creating irresistible offers and one-on-one guidance. So what's an irresistible offer? It's a proposal so compelling, it's impossible to resist. I think of it as a can't say no deal. It's like a magnet for customers. Here are 10 easy steps to take an offer from ordinary to irresistible. Number one, have a clear value proposition. Your offer should clearly communicate the value and benefits of your service. Number two, make it relevant. Tailor your offer to the target audience's needs and their pain points. It should really address a specific problem or desire they have. Number three, come up with a very compelling name and a great tagline. Craft a name and a tagline that really grabs attention and it communicates the essence of the offer in a very concise way. Number four, create attractive pricing. Offer a pricing structure that is perceived as a great deal. This could be a discount, a package deal, or a limited time special. Number five, create limited time availability. Create a sense of urgency by making the offer available for a limited time. This encourages customers to act promptly. Number six, have a clear call to action. Make it easy for customers to take advantage of the offer by providing a clear and visible call to action, such as book now or get started. Number seven, provide social proof. Include testimonials, reviews, case studies. These build trust and demonstrate the positive impact of your service on your past client. Number eight, reduce the risk. Offer a satisfaction guarantee, a money-back guarantee, or a free trial period to reduce the perceived risk for customers. Number nine, provide additional bonuses. Enhance your offer with additional benefits or bonuses like exclusive resources, extended support, additional services. Number 10, make it personalized. Whenever possible, personalize your offer to the individual needs and preferences of your customers. Now let's see how these 10 steps can be applied to a real situation. Meet Mary, an online coach specializing in the personal development area. Mary needs to find a way to stand out in a crowded coaching market and demonstrate the real value of her service. Currently, she sells her services hourly at the rate of $200. Many of her clients buy 1 hour of her services and don't return. What's the solution? Mary came up with an irresistible offer. Now let's look at what her offer includes. Mary has a compelling name and tagline for her offer. The name of Mary's service is the Total Transformation Blueprint. Her tagline is Empower Your Success. Get on the path to the total transformation today. Mary has a clear value proposition to help you unlock your full potential, boost your confidence, and help achieve your most ambitious life goals. Her offer is personalized. It includes 6 months of one-on-one coaching sessions tailored to your unique goals. Coaching sessions are 2 times a week for 60 minutes. Her offer is relevant to her target audience. She provides a customized blueprint for your personal development journey, tailored to address your unique life challenges. Mary's offer has attractive pricing. The all-inclusive package is priced at an affordable rate of $997 per month. It has limited time availability. If you join Mary's program by the end of the month, you'll receive a free 1-hour coaching session and access to Mary's online community for ongoing support. Her offer has a clear call to action. Click Book Now to schedule a complimentary discovery call and explore how the blueprint can work for you. Mary's program has strong social proof. Mary's clients have experienced life-changing results and have provided her numerous testimonials. Mary's offer reduces the risk for her clients. Mary backs her service with a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, she will refund your investment, no questions asked. Mary provides additional benefits. Enrolled clients gain access to Mary's ebooks, guided meditation sessions, and goal setting tools. The result? Mary's total transformation blueprint immediately gained attention. She attracted a wave of new clients and received numerous client testimonials. Now ask yourself, how would you apply this to your own business? How can you use these 10 easy steps to create an irresistible offer for your own business? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Now, I've created a 5-step process that I use with my clients to guide them in creating an irresistible offer for their business. It's based on what I learned during my 20-year marketing career working in large companies like AT&T and Virgin Mobile and 5 startups. If you're ready to get started crafting your irresistible offer and want some one-on-one guidance, please apply for my free coaching call where I will review my 5-step process for creating irresistible offers. You can apply by using the link in the description and the comments. I'm looking forward to helping you create offers that your customers can't resist.